If you're in Medicare and you chose to stay with original Medicare, Part A, Part B, and a Medicare supplement plan, which I absolutely recommend, it's the best way to manage your healthcare going forward, significantly better than Medicare Advantage. But you may have seen, just like everything else recently, costs have been going up. But this is something we just need to keep an eye on and make sure that we get the best value with our Medicare supplement plan, whether it's a Plan G, a Plan N. If you've been in a long time, you might have a Plan F. And the great thing about these plans is they are standardized. So they are exactly the same regardless of whichever insurance company we use. The benefits are exactly the same. So we can shop apples to apples, price to price, to make sure that we get the best value. And that's exactly what I help people do. And I've created a website specifically for this to compare your Medicare supplement plan pricing. And it's simply called MedicarePriceCheck.com. If you go to MedicarePriceCheck.com, put in your basic information, we will send you the best price by email for the best Plan G, the best Plan N, possibly a GHD, depends on where you're located, on to what makes the most sense. This is my website. What I can promise you is you will not receive calls from 15 different insurance agents. We will not sell your information to others. We simply take your information, run quotes, and I'm an insurance broker, so I have access to just about every insurance carrier that's available in your zip code. We find the best price. We simply email it to you. If it makes sense, then we take it from there. We do all the legwork. There's no cost to you to allow us to help you with this. So hopefully you will allow us to help you to save some money. I'll give you a couple of quick recent examples on the savings that are involved if you take the 5 minutes to do this. So recently I had somebody with a Plan G where they started at $120 a month when they first came into Medicare, got their Plan G. They've had some rate increases over the years. It got to $163 a month, which certainly is a significant increase from where they started. We were very easily able to bring them back to $122 a month for the exact same Plan G. The only thing that G does not cover is the Medicare Part B deductible. It doesn't matter which insurance company we use, it's the exact same coverage. I had another one with a Plan G, started at $114, went to $135 over just a couple of years. We brought it back to $120. So almost gets it back to where you started simply by just taking the time to do what we need to do. Last one, I'll tell you, a Plan G, $118. They were on it for a while. They were in an area that had some higher increases than normal. It got all the way up to $157 a month. We don't want that. We were able to find Plan N, which is not that far off from Plan G, but Plan N was at $98 a month. It made a lot of sense to save all that money monthly and simply go to Plan N. So we make it as easy as possible. Again, we do all the legwork. There's very little to be done. It's really not hard to do. If you go to MedicarePriceCheck.com, put in your basic information, we will email you the quote so you can see it yourself. You'll know what you pay right now. You'll know what you could pay. And if it makes sense, I would make the change if it were $5 or $10 a month. But certainly if it's $20, $30, $50 a month less for exactly the same coverage, then my goodness, why in the world will we not do this? So I hope you'll let us help you. Visit my website. I'm happy to help. Have a great day.